Hello children, welcome to your class again. Today we are going to deal with article writing, or we will learn what an article writing is. Now students, hope so you are at home, safe and sound. So let's start our lesson and see what is coming next. Let's see the definition of article writing at first. An article writing is a kind of writing that is generally used for raising social awareness on a specific issue or topic. So, an article writing is basically, a kind of writing. Now students, I think so you have read many stories, okay? Or you have seen many prose pieces. So, as those writings are there, or many other writings as such, okay, are there. Now, article writing is also a kind of writing, okay, a kind of basically writing that is not based on imagination, okay, that is not based on any imagination. So, an article writing is basically a kind of writing that is based on reality, and it is generally used for raising social awareness, okay, mass awareness, okay, mass of people would be alert about something or would know, okay, know properly about something, will be aware about something. So, on a specific issue or topic, generally any recent topic or issue that is of major concern, okay, or that is in concern of a group or a large section of people, or what they should show concern about. It is also used for highlighting any matter of general concern. Means, I have told you about any issue, okay, any specific issue or topic, or that is generally known as burning issue or topic, rather than those topics or issues as such, there are some matters, or there are some other matters too which are of day-to-day concern, okay, and we are in general concerned about that. So social awareness is needed to be raised in those issues too, okay. So article writing is also used for raising awareness, okay, in case of or for those issues too, okay. Now, via internet, newspaper, magazine, etc. So, we can use different sites, okay, different sites of internet, understood? Then, newspapers, okay, different newspapers. Next, magazines. You have seen different articles in magazines too. So, we can use either, these sites or websites of internet, then newspapers of different languages, okay, or which we prefer basically. Suppose we prefer English, okay. So, and we are going to write any article in English. So, we will choose any newspaper, or better to say, any kind of newspaper which is having its medium in English. Then, in case of magazine, okay, similarly, we would follow. So, we can write in any other Okay, there are many other places too where we can write articles, so etc. Look at the differences between articles in English grammar and an article writing. Number 1, articles in English grammar are a, an, in, an, and the, the. So these words basically a, an, in, an, and the, the. So these words basically are the articles, okay, or what we consider as articles in English grammar. Now, in case of an article writing, number 1, it is basically a social matter in which a particular issue is highlighted. So it's basically a social matter, a writing, okay, in which a particular issue is highlighted. A particular issue, suppose a recent issue, which is a burning topic these days. So, a such issue which catches the attention or which is in the concern of general public, okay, or a large section of people, okay. So that kind of issue or a particular topic, okay, is highlighted. Articles in English grammar are not used for raising social awareness. So what you have under articles in English grammar? Number 2, not used for raising social awareness. Whereas in case of an article writing, number 2, we have used for raising social awareness. Okay. So students, basically articles, okay, the very words a, an, in, an, and the, okay, the word the, the, these are form words, okay. This establish connection between other words, okay. They form connection between or among, better to say, among other words in a sentence, okay. But they are not basically used as such for creating social awareness, okay, or for raising social awareness. No, okay. So they are not basically used as such for that. But in case of an article writing, it is used for raising social awareness. As such, you know that it's a whole composition, okay, a whole piece of writing that has some purpose behind it, okay, that is written with a purpose behind it. So basically the purpose is for raising social awareness, okay, to make people aware, okay, about any issue, any particular topic, okay, or a certain very important issue. Point number 3. A can be used for any single thing and before the vowels, and the, the, for anything specific. So a can be used for any single thing, means before any single thing or a person. Suppose you can use a girl, a boy, okay, a TV, okay, a sofa, and many more. And before the vowels. And before the vowels means vowels, you know, a, e, I, o, u, okay. So any word which is starting with a vowel, okay, So before that, an has to be used. So any word starting with a vowel will have an, this very word, an, an before it. Okay? So it will have the word an before it. Next, and the, the for anything specific. So for anything specific means, suppose anything is unique in the world, okay, or you are pointing at a specific thing, not anything else, okay. Suppose the girl, you are pointing at a specific girl, so the girl or the boy, okay, so that particular boy, okay, or that particular person as such. Now the Taj Mahal, okay, since it is unique in the world, okay, since it is unique in the world and it has no other, monument, or Taj Mahal is itself unique. It has no replica, or better to say, it can have a replica, but it is original and it is single in number. Okay. So the sun, you cannot get any other sun. Okay. Just one. So the sun, the moon. So particular moon. Okay. So you cannot get any other moon. Just a single moon in the whole universe. So some things are there which are basically unique and you cannot get any other as such. Maybe their replicas are found, but the originals are unique and single in number. Okay. Next, over here, in case of an article writing, as opposed to the articles in English grammar, in case or under this article writing, we have, it is divided into 3 parts. Title, then writer's name, then we have body. So at first we have to choose a suitable title. Okay. Now next one, in place of writer's name, you have to put your name. Suppose you are writing an article. Okay. So you are going to put your name. Okay. Or anyone else, suppose is writing that article. So he or she should mention his or her own name. Okay. Next, we have body. Okay. And we know in the body, there will be several paras. Okay. Or many paras as such. Okay. Minimum 3 to 4. Okay. Or minimum basically 2 to 3. Not less than it. Okay. Or not less than this. So minimum 2 to 3 paragraphs are needed for writing an article. Okay. Or the body of the article must consist at least 2 to 3 paragraphs. If you want to, write in more paragraphs, you can give it. Now, at first, we know for that we have introduction. Then basically, we explain the matter. Okay. Or basically, we do fetch the demerits or the problems associated with that particular topic and write over there, or some incidences, okay, related to that, topic. You can also mention some incidents or incidences as you have seen, okay, related to that particular issue. Now next, definitely we have to draw a suitable conclusion. Okay. Now all these things we are going to see, okay, next in our steps of article writing. look at the steps of an article writing. First point, mention a suitable title. So you have to choose a title according to the topic of your writing, okay, or the subject matter, okay, of your writing. Next, number 2, or next point, put the writer's name. So basically, who is writing? Suppose you are writing, okay, that article. Basically, who mentions that title, that person remains or stays as the writer. So put your own name, okay, in the place of writer's name. So in the second line, basically, okay, in the middle or somewhat, towards the left hand side, okay, left hand side margin, you have to write your name. Means the writer's name would be mentioned. Next, number 3, give an introduction which catches the attention of the audience. Now, the body of the article starts, and when it starts, at first you have to give an interesting, or better to say, a very interesting, introduction, where you are going to attract attention of your audience or audiences. So you have to write in such a manner, okay, in a striking manner that will catch the attention of your readers. Next point, number 4, mention the merits or demerits associated with that issue. Basically, in the second para, you are going to deal about the merits or demerits associated with that specific issue or topic you are dealing with. Next one, mention any incident or incidents related to that issue. So, you are choosing a particular topic, okay, a particular issue. Now, you have to remember whether any incident or different incidents had taken place in the past or not, okay. So, related to that issue, whether any incident or incidents had happened or not, okay. Now, in the body of your article writing, okay, you have to use suitable linkers. So next point is use suitable linkers, okay, like while, then, whereas, etc. So according to the need of the sentence, you have to decide, okay, or how you are changing from one sentence to another, okay, how you are forming, okay, your sentences. So according to the need of different sentences, okay, you have to choose different linkers too. Next, draw a suitable conclusion. So a specific conclusion has to be given, okay. You will find, or you will try to suggest a remedy of a problem, suppose you are dealing with, okay, or of an issue that you have highlighted. So a suitable remedy or a solution where you have to put some of your own suggestions too, okay. You have to give some general suggestions or general solutions as such, and with that you have to suggest something of your own. Now, any idea can also be presented. Okay, any new idea can also be presented. Next, number 2, to raise awareness